The cylinder head bolts, I've spoken to everyone numerous times. If a bolt looks like this, please throw it away. It's not the correct way in building engines. Just throw it away. It's not a much expensive part. Chuck it in the bin, just buy new ones. I mean, it's simple. Buy it from me. Let me show you. There's different type of bolts. Let me give you the correct bolt that you need. And then moving on to a self-made cam cap. This is the cap that needs to go into the engine. Someone thought it was a good idea to manufacture their own cap that I can't even take off to replace the spring if the spring is out of spec. Don't do it. Please don't do it. Let us do it for you, or get someone that's capable of dealing with spare parts. If something is missing, it's an inexpensive part, just buy a new one.